Today, we're making chicken spring rolls, a classic Asian dish that's quick and easy to prepare. First, we're going to rehydrate 50 grams of black mushrooms by soaking them in water for 5 minutes. We're going to do the same with 100 grams of rice vermicelli. So just like before, we rehydrate them and set them aside for 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to cut a carrot into small slices. I've taken the drained black mushrooms and I'm chopping them roughly. Then I put the black mushrooms as well as the carrot into my blender. Chicken spring rolls are one of my book's exclusive recipes that I'm sharing in this video. I blend the mushrooms with the carrot for a few seconds to get very small pieces. Then I pour everything into a bowl. Next, I'm going to finely chop a large onion, so we cut it as thinly as possible. Otherwise, you can also blend it with the carrot and mushrooms. We add the chopped onion. After thoroughly draining my rice vermicelli, I'm going to cut them into small pieces. I then add them to the bowl as well. With the other ingredients, I add 550 grams of ground chicken. I also crack an egg, add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. I season with just salt and pepper. And I mix everything well until it's all combined. For the chicken, you just need to ask your butcher to grind it for you. Or you can grind it yourself in the blender. I lay out a clean towel and dampen it lightly. I'm going to soak my rice papers well in the bowl. Then I'll put them on the clean towel. You'll see, the rice paper will soften immediately. At that point, we add a tablespoon of filling. Then we'll fold the right side, then the left side. We're going to roll the rice paper tightly. And you make as many spring rolls as possible. So with these quantities, I was able to make about 20. If you want, you can freeze some of your spring rolls before cooking, so once you've finished rolling them. We're going to do a first cooking by dipping the spring rolls in oil at 150 degrees Celsius, or over medium heat. If you don't have a cooking thermometer, we'll let them cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes of cooking. We're going to take the spring rolls out of the pan, set them aside on paper towels, and let them cool down a bit. Next, put the spring rolls back in the oil at 180 degrees Celsius on high heat for 5 more minutes. The first cooking is to cook the filling, and the second is to make our spring rolls crispy and golden. After 5 minutes of cooking, set them aside on paper towels. You serve your spring rolls on a bed of green salad, and all that's left is to enjoy them. I really hope you enjoyed the recipe. See you soon.